So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video. So you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in mouse settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on additional mouse settings. And now this will come up. You just want to copy everything that you see on my screen. So you want to untick this, put this like around in the middle, turn off click lock, make sure this is unselected. Now go to pointers and then click on use default, untick enable pointer shadow, go to pointer options, make sure you have enhanced pointer position selected, set this to around the middle like me, make sure you have hide pointer while typing ticked, go to wheel, you want to set both of these on 3, go to hardware, you don't need to do anything here, and then click on OK. By the way, once you do that, your mouse might look something like this. If you don't like it, then you want to head over to search and type in mouse pointer size, click on it. Now once you're here, you could just select the default mouse cursor. Any one of these right here. You could also set the size. But keep everything else the same. But you can change your mouse pointer, that's fine. And now for the third step, you want to head back to CMD. Now your scan should be completed. If it's not, you just want to wait for it to load. Now once that's been done, now you're going to type in msdt.exe /ID DeviceDiagnostic. Click on enter. Now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once this loads up, you're going to click on I don't see my device listed. Wait for this to load. Now it's going to say restart your PC to finish installing drivers and updates. Click on apply this fix. Make sure you have your open files and programs all saved before you restart your computer. And then click on next. And then click on enable. Wait for this to load. And now this will come up. Once you see this, it's going to show you the problem is found. If there's any steps right here, you just want to follow through with it. So now my PC must be restarted. So now I'm just going to restart the computer. And then the problem should be fixed.